Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with a project share. So I've been working on some dangles slash tassels, or I don't know what you want to call them, but anyway, I just thought I would share it with you before I package them up. So you know, I guess I get confused between dangles, bead dangles, and tassels. And for one of my swaps I need to make tassels, so I'm still working on it, but I just wanted to just share some of these things before I package it. Okay, so I started working on some beaded dangle charms because I got in some of my newer Halloween colored beads, so I was playing around with that. And then I did this one using the bat. And I really like the hot pink black and white look for Halloween. I don't know why, but I think that came out really cute. And then I did make some ribbon tassels. And I followed Tony's tutorial, who is Craft Purge, so I will put a link to her video down below. But it's really easy. She gave good tips though, so you just hot glue the top together and then clamp it, you know, it's shut. And then she added a beaded charm, which I thought was really cute, so I did the same thing. And anyway, so I used a really cute ghost. I'm into ghosts this year. I don't know what's up with that, but I think there's a lot of cute ghosties out there. So this heart trim is one I got from Sparkling Ghoul, and the rest are just trims I just recently picked up. I've been meaning to make these for a while, but I just haven't done it till now. Okay, and then I did a similar one, and I told you earlier I'm into this teal with the orange and black, and I think that looks very cool for Halloween. So I just added on this beaded charm, which is the striped one with the pumpkin ghost. And then the last one I did, I tried to use that big boo ribbon. I like it because it's a vertical ribbon. And then I added the pumpkin, the bead, sorry, and then the other strips. So that was kind of fun. That was the first time I ever made those. So I will probably make more non-Halloween ones later, but that was pretty fun. And then the last thing I want to share are I made more of those shaker coin dangles, I guess. I don't know what to call them. That Gina did a tutorial on, so I will link her tutorial again. But yeah, I decided to add on a bow, which is, I gotta fix it. But these are stickers I got. They're puffy, mini puffy stickers. I just stuck it on top of the container, added in my sequins. I did glue it down so that it won't open up. I added the gingham ribbon and a beaded dangle, and then these plastic clasps. So I'm quite happy with how they came out. I'm really liking this color combinations where it's not only black and orange, because orange is not my favorite color. I did add a little bit of orange here and there, but overall I'm adding in more black with other colors, and I think I like it a lot better. Anyway, that is my project share for right now. I am almost done with my quickie cutesy Halloween swap, so I probably will do a video on that soon, but I won't post it until my swap partners get their packages. Okay, that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!